We have a ryobi jigsaw model JS481LG variable speed jigsaw. We're going to open it, explore, see how it looks like for the first time. Okay. So comes with manual, blade, and this blade is for wood, and it says smooth cut. Okay. By the way, guys, this style of blade, the shank, you call it T-shank, what most people know and call it. Alright, it's very common. Most of the jigsaw uses a T-shank, and this is how the blade looks like. Now here we go. This is the ryobi jigsaw, and I'm going to read the specs or power that it says on the label. It's a 120 volt, 60 hertz, 4.8 amp, and it has a speed of 600 to 3000 per minute. Okay, I know, if you guys don't know or know, ryobi is a original Japanese company, but this tool is made in China. Okay, quality still looks good. Cord is thick. It has 2-prong, 2 wires, 18 gauge. I would say the cord that comes with it, it's about 8 feet. Oh, it does have a groove on the end of it too. Looks like so when you wrap it, you can lock it together like that. Okay. Other things that you will see on the jigsaw is the control speed. So you can go high or low speed. Trigger, and this one is a safety. So in order to run and turn on this jigsaw, you have to press the safety, then press the trigger when you're making cuts. Other features is, it says here, cut speed, speed match for precision. It says on the first one, 0 is suggested to use with metal. Second, on number 1, it's for cutting PVC and wood. The third one, and it's number 2, is for composite or MDF. Fourth one, it looks like it's for 2x4, most likely solid wood. Alright. It's suggested to, right here, there's the blue picture, that read the instruction manual before you use it. There's a release lever so you can do angle cuts from 0, 15, 30, and 45 degree, left and right. Then when you're done setting it up, you can lock and close it. Putting the jigsaw blade is really easy too. It has a quick release. Let me try and put this on. There you go. And yeah, that's it. And it looks like it has LED too as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is a jigsaw. Jigsaw is a saw. It's an all-around use. Can be used for all different types of materials. It could be wood, plastic, or metal. You can cut straight, curves, screw cuts. It's great for a small, detailed, precise cut. So cool. Colors, as you can see, it's yellow, green, and gray. Yeah, for the first look, it looks nice. Okay. If there's anything I missed, yeah, pretty much everything's good. Thank you.